Good morning guys, it's me Divagaran. Welcome to my channel Divos Maths. Today again we are going to study one problem from determinants. Using properties of determinants, prove that this determinant equal to 2 times another determinant. One determinant is given, you have to prove this one as 2 times another determinant. Using properties of determinants, we have to prove it. Now look at here. Let me take delta as LHS of this part. This problem LHS part I have taken. LHS delta equal to this one I have written. Now if you listen properly these determinants, we studied that one property of determinants we studied when with one row if you add multiples of other rows the value determinant will not change. With one row you can add the multiple of other rows. So the value determinant will not change. One row you can change like that. So first row I am changing here. Look at here. Here if you add this first terms, you listen B and B you can add it to B. C you can add it to C and 2A you are getting. Similarly if you check this one R and R, 2R, 2P, 2Q you are getting here. Here 2X, 2Y, 2Z you are getting. So you can add it. So I am changing R1 as R1 plus R2 plus R3. Look at here. R1 I am changing as R1 plus R2 plus R3. So what I get? 2B we are getting, 2A we are getting, 2C. That is 2 times A plus B plus C first term. Second term 2P, 2R, 2Q we are getting by adding. So that 2 times P plus Q plus R. Similarly 2X, 2Y and 2Z. If you are adding, so that 2 times x plus y plus z we are getting. So I got the first row I have changed like this way. R2 and R3 I am not changing, only one row at a time I am changing. Only R1 I have changed. So R2 and R3 I am keeping the same thing. Now look at here, R1 again. 2 is a common factor. Can you take out? Yes, we can take out common factor. In each term 2 is there. So in one row, in each term a common factor is there, you can take out that. That is the property of a determinant. So 2 we are taking out. So what we are getting, listen. 2 I have taken out. So it becomes like this way. A plus B plus C. From here if you take 2, it will be A plus B plus C. From here P plus Q plus R and X plus Y plus Z. Now look here. Now from here, from this A plus B plus C, if you subtract C, you can subtract C plus A. Is it? From here you can subtract R plus P. And from here you can subtract Z plus X. So R1, how to change you list? R1 we can change this as R1 minus R2. So how it come? Listen. Delta will be A plus B plus C minus C plus C and C cancel A and X. What is remaining? B. From here if you subtract this, what is left? Q. From here X plus Y plus Z minus Z plus X. What you left? Y. The now R2 and R3 I am not changing, only R1 I have changed. Now look at here. Can you subtract R1 from R2? Not possible. Can you subtract R1 from R3? Look at here. Yes, we can subtract. So R3 I am changing as R3 minus R1. How? You listen. Delta will be 2. R1 not changing, only R3 I am changing. R2 the same thing I have written. Now R3, come to R3. A plus B minus B, it comes A. P plus Q minus Q, it is P. X plus Y minus Y, it is X. We got like this way. Now you listen. You can change R2 now. How? Can you subtract R1? No, not possible. What to do? You can subtract R3. So R2 I am changing as R2 minus R3. C plus A minus A, it come C. R1 and R3 I am not changing, only R2. C plus A minus A, it come C. R plus P minus P, it come R. Z plus X minus X, it comes Z. We got like this way. Now you listen the result. What we have to get? APX upper. Is it APX upper? No. APX is down, it is the third row. We can make it first row by interchanging the rows. If you interchange negative, you have to take out. So I am saying R1 and R3 I am interchanging. So negative come out. So it become negative 2 into APX here and the BQY will go down. Now BQY you check it. Is it down? No, it should be in the second row. So we have to check again. We have to interchange the rows. What? R2 and R3. So one more negative come. So it become positive 2. Positive 2 into APX. Here comes BQY and CRZ. This is the result we have to get. Please and speak proved. I think all of you understood clearly this problem. Thank you.